Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the YouTube of something went wrong either on your Android phone. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And long tap your Google Chrome app and tap on F info or I button. Scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete, clear data or delete. Okay, back and now force stops. Okay, scroll up, tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, back second contacts allow, back and location allow, and microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notification. Okay, and photos and videos allow all permission. Okay, complete, allow all permission, complete. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search Google Chrome. Google Chrome update, and my Google Chrome already updated to the latest version. Okay, complete, and open your Google Chrome browser. And I hope your problem has been solved successfully. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay.